Hey everyone, the question from perimeter, and I got this question from comment section. The question is, a table top measures 2.5 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of tabletop? Now here we have given the dimensions of length and breadth, which means the tabletop is in shape of rectangle. Because the length and breadth are different, which means that it's a rectangle shape. If it is same, then dimension will be same, or they have just given the one side. So we have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle we have to find out. But if you see the length and breadth, length is 2 meter 25 centimeter, and we have breadth which is 1 meter 50 centimeter. So we have to make sure that both are in a same units. Then only we can able to find out the the perimeter. So how to do that? Now we are going to just convert this centimeter 25 centimeter into a meter, and then I'm going to add with 2 meter. Same way in the case of breadth. So let me just do that once again. So length is equal to 2 meter 25 centimeter. Now we're going to convert here centimeter to meter. We are converting smaller unit to higher unit. Whenever you convert smaller to higher, we're going to divide. But with what number we're going to divide here? We're going to divide by 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So when you convert 25 centimeter into meter, you're going to divide this 25 by 100, and instead of centimeter, you're going to have a meter. Right? Now, this you have learnt in lower classes, that instead of dividing or directly convert this into decimal, you have a 2 zeros in denominator, right? So this rule is applicable when you have a 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, those kind of numbers in the denominator. And just count the number of zeros. We have a 2 zeros. So after 2 digits from right side, that is from the last, you have to start. After 2 digits, so first 5 and then 2. So 2 digits are over. After that, I'm going to put decimal point, and as a no number, right? So take a 0. So it is 0.25 meter. Right, so I got everything into meter. Now the length will be equal to 2 meter plus 0.25 meter. When you add this to, this will be 2.25 meter. Now same way we're going to do it for the length. So length we have done, we're going to do it for breadth. So this will be 50 centimeter, convert this into a meter, this will be 50 by 100 meter. So when you convert this, it will be after 2 digits, you have to put decimal. So 0, then 5, then put decimal, and then 0. So 0.50 meter. So breadth will be equal to 1 meter plus 0.50 meter. Add this to, so this will be 1.50 meter. Now both length and breadth we got into the meter. We are going to find out the perimeter now. So let me erase this part. I am going to rewrite the length and breadth once again. So length is equal to 2.25 meter, and we know breadth is equal to 1.50 meter. We have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle will be, so perimeter of, or tabletop you can add down. So perimeter of tabletop is equal to, it is 2 into length plus breadth. So we are going to substitute the length and breadth in the formula. So this is 2 into length is 2.25 plus breadth is 1.50. Now add 2.25 and 1.50. So when you add it, so 2.25. So below decimal you have to write down the decimal point. On the left side I have a 1, on the right side I have a 50. So you have to place the numbers like this. Now add them. So this will be 3.75. So 2 into 3.75. Now we're going to multiply this 2. So 3.75 multiplied by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, plus 1 is 15, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 is 7. Now after decimal point I have a 2 digit. So from right side, after 2 decimal I have to put decimal point. After 2 digit I have to put decimal point. So 0 and then 5. After that I am going to put the decimal. So 7.50. So this is equal to 7.50 meter. That's it. So this is how you would find out the perimeter. I hope this question is clear. In case you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.